Hi, I'm Laura Michaels. I'm with Franchise Times, and we're here today at the Restaurant Finance and Development Conference in Las Vegas. And with me here today is April Ronchetti Little, and she is the Senior Vice President of Investments with Spirit Realty Capital. And I'm very happy to have you with us here today. I'm sure we're going to get some great insight. So I'd like to start off with just from your view in overseeing and analyzing the acquisition of new real estate. What's kind of your general overview of the acquisition market right now? What are you seeing happening out there?
I think it's a great market, especially if you are thinking about divesting of any of your real estate today. I feel like we're really at the top of the market since rates are the lowest that they've been in many years. Things have been trading very quickly, so it's a great time to divest of your assets if you're so inclined.
Okay. Are there certain emerging markets, areas of the country that you're seeing get a lot more attention right now that are kind of the hot places to look?
We don't really look at it that way. I mean, yes, there's probably some more emerging markets than others. I just think that you are no longer, traditionally, if you were in a larger city that had a football team, normally those markets go at a much lower cap rate and a much higher purchase price. But I think in terms of the lesser markets, some that are a little off the beaten path or maybe a little more tertiary, we really don't see as much of a discount that you used to see before on those types of markets. So it's very frothy across the board.
Okay. And what about in terms of investors? What are they kind of looking to get into in terms of markets right now? Are there certain cities that they're more interested in than others?
Well, I think if I were to answer that question, I'd look at it more from an institutional standpoint. And each institution, such as Spirit, we're a $10 billion real estate investment trust. We have 2,600 properties, 49 states. I think what we focus on is diversification. So, we don't necessarily, since we're such a large fund, have an issue with geography, but some of the funds out there might be more, have a concentration issue in different markets. So maybe they have too many properties in Florida or too many properties in Texas, whereas we're pretty much across the board, always acquiring in each and every market, just really looking for good real estate, but most importantly, good tenants or franchisees, franchisors to work with and help grow their business, because we look at ourselves more of a capital provider to help grow their businesses.
And that leads me into my next question of when you're looking at tenants and looking at potential, people that you're going to be in business with, what are some of the, key criteria? Do you have certain points that you want to hit when you're looking at tenants?
I think the most important is the management team. I think that probably surpasses any of the other things that we look at. If we like the management team, then we want to partner with the management team. But we also look at the unit level, how the unit cash flows per site, and then we'll look at the corporates. So, kind of the concept, management team, and then unit level, and then of course the corporates. But we're always looking for someone that's new and growing, or maybe someone that's been established and maybe not growing, but whatever we can do to help them with their capital needs.
Okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us. This has been great. So again, I've been here with April Ronchetti Little with Spirit Realty Capital. Thank you.
Thank you.